30 Ways to Make $100 per Day Online, Part 6. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I will show you the 6th way to make $100 per day online. So please watch the whole series, it really helps me out. And before I'm going to jump into the content, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment, especially if you are into making money online and working from home. It really helps the algorithm. Also check out all the links in the description. I have some free courses for you. I have my coaching, I have all the tools that I'm using to make money online, so check it all out. And right now let me share my screen, let me show you exactly how to make $100 per day online. So guys, this is again very near and dear to my heart, like the first method that I shared with you, because it is Fiverr, but it is different from the first method I showed you. Okay, so this is writing articles and blog posts without having to write anything, so it's super beginner friendly. And you don't even need to be an English speaker to make this work. So guys, this is exactly how I got started online. So I started doing this part-time back in 2011, 2012. I started making $300, $500, $700 per month. And then I grew it to $3,000 per month. So $100 per day. And at this point, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job. Okay, so what you do is, first of all, find an article or a blog post gig that is already successful. Okay, so I found this one right here. As you can see, you have literally thousands of these gigs. People are buying articles and blog posts all the time because many people are running multiple websites and they don't have the time to write it themselves. Okay, so I found this one. Let's check it out. So what I want you to do is mirror this gig. So rewrite the title right here, rewrite the description, and obviously make similar packages. So this person already sold thousands of gigs. That's why she can charge $40 for a small article, and she delivers in 5 days. So you can start at $20 and you can deliver in 2 days with one revision. So as you can see, we have the basic for $40, standard 60, premium 80. So this is exactly what you can start charging once you will get some feedback in from your customers. Okay, so this is how to set up your gig. Now I will show you exactly how to deliver your article. Okay, so first of all, when someone buys your gig, they will tell you what kind of topic they want you to write about. Okay, so this can be literally anything. I was writing articles about things that I had no idea about, like cat food, for example. Okay, so obviously you can't be an expert in every single subject on the internet. That's why you go to easyarticles.com. Okay, so this is a gold mine when it comes to articles online. You can type in literally any keyword like cat food, just press enter, and you will be presented literally with hundreds if not thousands of articles. Check this out, 620 pages of articles about cat food. So at this point you just have to find the article that will be a good match. Okay, so for example, we have diabetic cats, we have how to make cat food, raw cat food, we have cat nutrition, we have what else, soft cat food. So whatever the person hiring you told you to write about, again, you're gonna find a similar article. So let me just click on one of the first ones right here. All you have to do is just copy this whole article. As you can see, this is probably like 1,000 words. So even big articles that you can charge hundreds of dollars for can be found here. Now obviously you can't just copy and paste it and send this as is. You will have to rewrite it. Okay, so let me copy it, and now we will go to articlerewritertool.com. Okay, so this is a free tool and it rewrites the article for you. So just paste in the article right here where it says content to rewrite. So let me just delete this last part right here. As you can see, we have the whole article. We're going to confirm that we are not a robot, and we will rewrite that text. It will literally take a few seconds and we will have the result right here. So as you can see, this is a 100% unique article. Okay, so it is based on what we pasted in right here on top, but it is completely different. So the thing is, you have to remember this is an automatically made rewrite. Okay, so you do have to go through it and just make sure that it makes sense, maybe correct some grammar, but it will take you literally a few minutes instead of half an hour to an hour if you would write all of this from scratch, not even including all the research. Okay, so just again copy and paste this into a text file or into a Word document, go through it, make sure that it makes sense, and then once it is good, you just go back to Fiverr and send it to the buyer. This is how simple this is. Literally you need a few minutes per article, and as you can see, again, you can charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per article, depending on how long it is. Okay, so again, just mirror already successful gigs that are selling. You can even mirror these graphics right here, and make sure to get the initial 10 to 20 feedbacks from people at 5 stars, so you can lower the price. You can offer a 2-for-1 deal, you can deliver faster, and just make sure that you always get 5 stars, especially with these first orders. Okay, so this is how easy it is to make money online, working from home, and making $100 per day online. And guys, I'm the living proof of this working, because this is exactly how I started, and this is how I quit bartending and how I started making money online full time. Okay, so this is the video I have for you today. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. This really helps me out with the algorithm, and this way I can deliver more training videos, free training videos for you guys, all about making money online and working from home. So after you're done watching this video, watch the rest of the videos on this channel. Again, this whole channel is dedicated to making money online and working from home. So see you in the next video. Ciao.